You can see behind me, the landscaping is all but finished. It's as far as we can take it until the spring. It's just not safe to plant stuff this time of year just for fear of frost and snow. Otherwise, everything is pretty much as it will be. We are thrilled with how it's turned out and how it's looking. All right, so we're in the backyard now. You can see we have got the stamped concrete poured. It has not been finished yet. They still have yet to come and pressure wash it and then seal it, which will give it that textured look. Hot tub's in place. The electrical was magically brought underneath the slab so that you don't have any electrical in the way. And then in the background here, we've got the artificial turf in place. The garden is mostly planted. Again, it's as much as we can do until the spring when we can get the exterior painted and the rest of the landscaping completed just because of the weather. All right, and here we are, just a little sneak peek of the kitchen. Everything is looking awesome. We've got some furniture in place now. Everything seems to be functioning very well. It feels like a really warm, wonderful place to create memories for the rest of our lives. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.